fairly straightforward example, but maybe not for you if you're not practiced at this, and that's okay if that's the case. But yeah, let's get started. So first we observe that this is not multiplying y prime, so we can move it to the right side. And so let's do that while also rewriting y prime as dy dx. So doing both, we can write on the left side e to the negative y times dy dx, and then on the right side we can write what we would have moved to the right side, which is that, and that would be 2x minus 1. And then next, to separate the variables, we're going to multiply both sides of this equation here by dx, and when we do, we'll get the following equation, which is e to the negative y dy is equal to 2x minus 1 times dx. And at this point, you know the drill, you know what we should do, which is integrate both sides. And when we integrate both sides, on the left side, we get e to the negative y times negative 1. So negative e to the negative y plus a constant. But we'll just combine the constant from the left with the constant from the right. So let's write what we're going to get on the right side, which would be x squared minus x plus a constant. And it's this constant we're about to write that we have combined with the constant from the left. So the constant from the left and the right combine to, let's say, a constant c. All right, cool. And then next, we're going to multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1 and write the following equivalent equation, which is e to the negative y is equal to, and then it's going to be, let's say, we'll have to say negative x squared, and then plus x, and then let's say, now we have a choice, let's say, plus k, where here we're saying k is equal to negative c. So when we multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1, we would have gotten a negative c on the right side, and we're saying that negative c we're renaming as k. Fine. It's technical, unnecessary perhaps. And now what we're going to do next is pretty obvious, or should be obvious, which is we're going to make space, and then entertained by my own silliness, yeah, and then take the natural log of both sides. So if we take the natural log of the left side and then the natural log of the right side, then we'll have the following. On the left, we're going to get negative y. So we're going to get negative y on the left, and it's y of x, right? So our solution y is a function of x, right? And we could have seen that from the start looking at this. So on the left, we get negative y because ln and e cancel. So negative y is equal to, on the right side, we have ln of, and it's, let's write leading with the negative terms, or a positive term, sorry. Let's not write leading with the negative term right there, a negative x squared. So let's write k, and it's plus x, and then minus x squared. Okay, all that's left to do then is to multiply this equation on both sides by negative 1 so that we have just y on the left side. And when we do that, we can get rid of this negative right there and put it instead right here, and we've got our final answer. So the solution to this differential equation is right here. Yeah? Okay, cool. Keep watching. There will be 2 more examples, and they're pretty interesting, especially the final example. All right, take care.